Hello everyone, myself Lohit Dalal, lecturer, Electronics and Communication Engineering Department, Jain Polytechnic, Belagavi. Today I am going to discuss unit number 3, TPM and TQM. Okay, it is a continuation part of the lecture number 27. In this lecture, I am going to discuss, okay, what is ISO, okay, what is ISO, okay, what is quality management system, okay, what are the standards to be considered, what are the characteristics of the ISO 9000 and areas covered by the ISO 9000 series, okay. So first one, so Indian standard, okay, it is a second revision, okay, which is an identical to the 9001 and 2000, okay. So in a quality management system, there is a requirement issued by an international organization for the standardizations, okay. So it was adopted by what? Bureau of Indian Standards, BIS, on the recommendations of the quality management. Okay, there is a sectional committee and approval of the management and the system division councils. So it was adopted by Bureau of Indian Standards. The second revision, there is a IS bar ISO 9000 cancels and replaces the first revision IS bar ISO 9000 and 1994 together with the IS bar ISO 9002 and 1994, okay, and also 9003 in a 1994, okay. It is constitutes the technical revision of these documents, okay, in order to maintain the quality assurance, okay. It gives the quality management systems, okay. There is certain rules and conditions to be followed, okay. There is a ISO 9001 and 2000, there is a scope, okay. There is a need to demonstrate its ability to constantly provide the products that meet the customer and applicable regulatory requirements, okay, and enhance the customer satisfactions through the effective applications of the system, including processes for continued improvement of the systems and also assurance conformity to the customers and applicable regulatory requirements, right. So there is a need of ISO 9000, okay. So why we need ISO 9000, okay. ISO 9000 standards expect firms to have a quality manual that meets ISO guidelines, okay, documents, quality procedures and job instructions and verification of compliance by third-party auditors, okay, to have a consistency in the quality and also to have a competitive advantages in the global market, okay. There is a market research to be done, and also in order to maintain the standardness or a brand, to have a documentation of the quality procedures, to get the clarity to the quality systems, to increase the productivity through the customer satisfactions, and also to have a good resources and quality management system, and also to cost effective purchase by the customers, okay. There will be a different areas to be covered in a ISO 9000 series. First one, ISO 9000, this provides the guidelines on the selection and use of quality management and quality assurance standards. ISO 9001, it has the 20 element covering design, development, production, installation and servicing. This applicable for the industries which are doing their own design and development, production, installation and servicing. ISO 9002, it has 18 elements covering the production and installation. It is the same as ISO 9001 without the first two tasks, okay, with design and development. This is applicable for the units excluding R&D functions. ISO 9003, it has 12 elements covering final inspection and testing for laboratories and warehouses. ISO 9004, this provides the guidelines to interpret the quality management and quality assurances, okay. So this has suggestions which are not be mandatory, okay. So in addition that, there is a deals, okay, vocabulary used in ISO 9000 series and also ISO 8402, okay. These areas to be covered in ISO 9000, okay. In this session we have discussed what is the characteristics of the ISO 9000, okay. There are different characteristics of ISO 9000, there are different areas to be covered, okay. The characteristics, okay, it is a group activity, it provides the leadership and also it is encourages the people involvement or people movements, it uses the process approaches, okay. It involves the task performances, Okay, different things to be, okay, different characteristics involved in a ISO 9000s, and also decisions are made on the fact basis only. Thank you.